If you're a YouTuber looking to get more views on your videos, and let's face it, who isn't, then you'll be excited to learn about this new and fresh way to market your YouTube videos. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to use a Facebook Messenger bot to market your channel and your videos. Hi, I'm Heather Terveen of heatherterveen.com, and I help online entrepreneurs increase their income and impact with Facebook Messenger bot marketing. And if you haven't had a chance yet, be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell where you will be notified each and every week when I drop a new Messenger bot marketing strategy video. Before we dive into my 5 tips on how you can use a Facebook Messenger bot to market your YouTube channel and your YouTube videos, I just want to give you this really cool stat. Right now, up to 80 to 90% of your Messenger bot subscribers are going to see the messages that you send to them. Compare that right now to your email list, where maybe 15 to 20% of your email subscribers are actually going to see your emails. So that's a pretty impressive stat. Okay, so tip number 1 is to add your YouTube channel to your bot's main menu. Now, your bot's main menu is a main menu that sits at the bottom of your bot, so that every time somebody is interacting with your bot, they can see the main menu and see like the different options that you have there. Tip number 2, you're going to invite your YouTube viewers to become subscribers to your bot. And the way you're going to do this is you are going to put a special link into the description of your YouTube videos, so that way you have a chance to connect with your YouTube viewers off of YouTube as well. And if you look below this video, you'll see that I have a link to my Ultimate Messenger Marketing Getting Started Guide. That is a special Messenger bot custom link that I have created so that people can not only be delivered my freebie guide on Messenger bot marketing, but they can also become subscribers to my bot. Tip number 3, you're going to send a Messenger bot broadcast to your subscribers within 24 hours each and every time you drop a new YouTube video to your channel. For one, it's exciting that up to 80 to 90% of your subscribers are going to see that message. And a bunch of them are going to be super excited, hop on over and watch your video during that precious 24-hour initial period when you've actually dropped it. Tip number 4. After you've sent that Messenger broadcast out to your subscribers, letting them know that you've had a new video drop, within 24 to 48 hours after that, up to a week, you are going to send a follow-up message getting feedback on the video or asking follow-up questions as it pertains to what the content of your video was. If it's applicable, if you're teaching, or if you are showing something exciting, following up and getting feedback will give you a chance to interact with your YouTube viewers off of YouTube and get precious feedback on your YouTube videos, and also learn how you can serve your audience even better. Tip number 5 is that your Facebook Messenger bot is going to give you an opportunity to start segmenting your audience into groups based on what they're interested in. Now, in the previous tip, I told you that you could get feedback, and then the tip before that, I told you that you're going to be sending Messenger broadcasts out to your lists. Well, the cool thing is that you will be able to tag buttons and parts of that Messenger broadcast so that you can start keeping track of the folks who are actually clicking out to watch certain videos. And then you can play around with different topics on your videos and keep track inside of your bot to see which videos are getting better traction with your superfans, and start segmenting them and putting them into different buckets so that you can serve them and communicate with them and serve them content even better. Well, there you have it, my top 5 ways to use Facebook Messenger bot marketing as a YouTuber to grow your channel and get more views on your videos. But wait, there's even more. If you want to dive even deeper and learn more about how messenger bots can help your business, be sure to snag my completely free Ultimate Messenger Marketing Getting Started Guide. It is the definitive guide that is going to help you increase your income and impact with a smart messenger marketing strategy. And also, if you want to join a group of other like-minded entrepreneurs who are learning about using messenger bots in their business, be sure to hop on over and join my free Facebook Messenger Boss community. Links to the guide and the community can be found in the description below this video. And finally, if you liked this video, would you let me know by hitting that like button below and also sharing it with another business owner friend that you think would gain value from it? As always, thanks so much for watching, and I can't wait to connect with you next week.